Hello and welcome back to IT Startup Tech Fodder. Alright, let's go ahead and continue playing this game for a bit. For this start of the stream. New run. Now, let's see. What do I want to start with? It wants me to start... Oh, I see. So you want me to start on normal, easy mode first before I get to even the harder ones. I mean, I did start on hard, but it's gonna give me like a little tag here for that. Alright. Well, if it's the only way I'm gonna go forward, then go ahead. Let's burn out some fresh employees. Alright, Clippy. Cthulhu, what you got for my to-do list? Pick a module. Now let me see what my OP starter module is. Investor and an envelope. Gain 3 additional. That's already pretty good. Employee meat grinder. Gain 3 each time you fire an employee. I think I was using that beforehand. Starting it off is good. Firing it off is also a little better too. 2 different unlocked. Action Man. Mystery box. Pizza party. And piggy bank. Gotta unlock those. Let's go with the first one for now. Now let's go ahead and add like a free upgrade. Which one? I don't know. Abusive tech lead will only make it cheaper and will give me a little bit more points. I do like it being cheaper though. Copy paste developer. The only thing that this happens is that it makes it cheaper. Junior backend. Cheaper, but a little bit more crunch. Project manager is just cheaper. Spaghetti code developer. Gains a little shield and a little bit more efficiency here. Efficiency just means how many points I'll be gaining from that at the end of my turn. Nice HR lady. Will remove 2 burnouts and makes it cheaper. That's already strong. I'm gonna go with the first one right here. Upgrade. Now I'm ready. Start the project battle. Alright. Versus whoever you are and this neckbeard. Okay. Let's get started. Bring it on. I already start with 4. Now let's see. Junior backend that I could use. Work-life balance. What's that? There's like a little zoom I can look at. Oh well. Don't have any of that yet. I could add these 3. Crunch. How much do you have for this? With a shield means you have actually you'll need 4 burnout points instead of just 3 before you're you have to leave. Yeah. Need some 5 of that would be real good right now. Just put you right here for now. Crunch. Mean that you have like 2 additional points right here. Yeah, like that. Now if I do this, and if I could just get like 1 more point. Yeah. For now, I'll just do this and put you in here so I'll gain a resource. 8 points here. What's yours? Okay. Would be pretty good for that. Alright, let's see. If I do this, remove some from you. Fire you because of your IT. And I'll save you for later. Oh, that's gonna cause me to win. Great. And I got some money, and let's see. Mad PHP developer. No great mind has ever existed without a touch of madness. It's a little bit like the Mad Hatter with an elephant. Add monster bug to your hand. It costs 0. Upgraded is like 2, and it's cheaper. Monster bug. Add 1 burnout to all the opponent employees. Let me try this out. Senior backend dev, the face of the little tech industry here. There's 5. Any HR, this card can be sold for 3. So 2. Inheritance is the object-oriented way to become wealthy. Coffee machine, oh hell yeah. Remove all burnout from the leftmost employee. Let's turn caffeine into code. I like that. Let me grab this. Let's start messing with opponents. Read random investor cards to your hand. You can't make it good? At least make it look good. Show random cards pool? So these are the 3 that I'll get. Investor, shady investor, meme stock investor. Okay, we got the layoff volunteer. Fire. After you fire this employee, draw a card. Appearing busy to avoid layoffs is more exhausting than actually working. This is all I get? Reroll cards, I can only do that once. Give to intern. Copy the first knowledge card from the dev to the left, which I don't have right there. The gifted ones can't wait to end up as slightly above average, burnt out employees. Home office recruiter. Take over a target employee from an opponent with no action cards in play. That I could use. Upgrade. You gain a little shield here. My head helps me pick the perfect candidate for the job. And growth lead Fisk. This guy right here. I do like the images that you're using here. Permanent burnout. Gets removed from the current project battle. So it just means that once this has either been removed, like either from burnout or firing, then it's removed from play until the next battle. Quiet card gains 1 efficiency and 1 burnout to adjacent employees. I could use that. In case of fire, git commit, git push, and leave the building. That's pretty good. It's cheaper too. This is like a big if I can get that to upgrade. Okay, so new module for this. Modificator module. Recruiter contract. Take over an employee, gain 1 resource. That sounds good. Generator magic. Each second time you generate a card, gain a resource. Good company coin. Time you use a good company bonus option, gain $16. Run money. It's either one of these 2. This. Generate some magic. Let's proceed. Crush them. Nice. Now let's leave the desk and finish our project. Cleared. Offer a trade from this shady investor. Okay, let's see. Trade offer. I lose my copy paste developer and growth lead Fisk. Receive upgraded Mad Scrum Master. Scriptboard Ninja. It has like -8 here. Anything but this guy. I just got him. That? -8 though. Sprint planning to the cost. That like draws 3. What does even Scrum even mean? Not sure if this is the right direction, but at least we're moving faster. Oh. Went from like -2 to -8. It's cheaper. Whoops. By making it cheaper and getting some extra cards like these. That may be something I could use. Scrum Board Ninja. Scrum is like astrology for business people. Scrum. You know what? Deal. Let me try that out. Okay, the card shop, and I have just enough cash for whatever I can afford here. Crunch time, huh? No work and no play make Jack a dull boy. Add 1 dev to all your devs. Gain 2 project points for each. Plus 2. Full stack ninja. Draw copies of the first knowledge card of adjacent devs. Cost 0. Generate a card in your hand. Upgrade a card? I'll do that. Okay. What do you mean I can skip? I could have just not, you know. It's still gonna cost me that much money because I decided to skip. Okay, let's see. What was it? This one, yes. Makes it cheaper. Gives me more? Yeah. Upgrade you. There really shouldn't be an option to where I buy the thing, but I have the option just to skip it. Like, just refund it. That's what you should have done. Okay. Now let's get started. Let's go. Okay, new to-do list. Alright, Cthulhu, what do I have? Another random meeting? Money burning. Alright. Interest rates are down. Money's cheap, so we need to spend more. We are a cool and fancy startup after all. Just like good old MySpace. How do we do it? With pizza. Money. With heavy investing. Pizza bait recruiter only works if they have no burnout. Which is this guy right here. Expensive developer plus, which is that guy. I need like 9 of those project points to be able to use you. Check for a team building. It's like the HR Wizard Plus. Upgrade could be good. This has to be an option. I'll just grab the HR Wizard. Alright, let's go. Let's go with the card upgrade, a free one too. It's a good thing I got this too. That one would be great. Yeah. Upgrading the new ones I have. Okay, I need to reach like 32 points from this. Now I have only these. It's level info, yeah. Well, of course, it's because of the difficulty I have. It wants me to do that first, so I'll do it. Okay, now to start with what? Piece of tech. I could just do that. Add that to yourself, apparently. Add these to my hands. What did that just say? It's not a bug, it's a feature. Oh, it cost 1. That's a debuff, but it does add like 2 more. Has like a picture of Python right there. At least I think that's what that is, right? It's an action card. Go ahead and just add that. Yes. And my turn. Some good project points. Looks like you guys don't have anything. It's a good thing I didn't have this. Alright. Optionally crunch. Right here for that. Crunch will give me some 2 more like immediately. Do this. And this time add that to see if that'll help out. Well, they're gone. Investor. Here you go. Alright. I'm gonna need a little bit more right here. With a project manager. It just means that I win. Just enough points too. Alright, some extra cash. Some more cards. Nihilist Scrum Master. Start return, add blue screen of death to your hand. Cost 0. And what does that do? Add 3 burnout to all employees in play. The project is doomed. Let's have some fun while it lasts, shall we? Makes it cheaper. Adds 2 of these. They cost 0. 3 burnout to all employees. Could come in handy. But it is like -2 if I use this though. HR Ops. Absorb all burnout from target employees. Or active target action, huh? Dodging bullets 24/7. Burnout resistance. And it's cheaper if I do upgrade you. Let's do some of this. HR Harry, huh? Refresh your fire employee button. Harry hates everybody. Devs, HR, managers, you name it. Even yourself, huh? Monster bug. Okay, new module. Recruiter contract. Employee, extra draw. An extra card's good. Turn with 2 action cards in play. Resource action miner. Something like generator virus. After you generate a card, your opponent loses 2 project battles. That sounds great. Study group. The second time you attack and attach a knowledge card to employee, gain 1 good comp bonus. I don't really have that. Paid sick leave. Start of each turn, gain good company bonus. What? Each turn. That's like passively giving me more. But I need to do that like 3 or 4 times. No, need to wait like 3 or 4 turns to be able to use one of them. I'll grab this instead. Crush them. Nice. Alright, my to-do list is done. Now let's leave the desk. List is cleared. I can burn some cards for something. Trade offer, huh? Trade offer. I lose both my copy-paste developers. I receive a blue screen of death. And recursive coder. This sounds like you're just giving me a bad time. Deal. Let me look at my deck. Okay, so most of it is just messing with the other opponents, which I don't really need to do that. I'm going to need some more devs here. Recursive coder. Every time I call myself, I get stronger. Yeah, it just looks like you're going extra limbs here. What I can understand, you have like extra efficiency when I generate a card. Some burnout resist, meaning that instead of 3, it's 5 burnouts needed. And the blue screen of death to all employees. Would come in handy for this guy right here. Has like a little bit of a... Rita, what are you barking at? Okay. Now, let's go ahead and visit the shop and see what I can grab here. Sharing is caring. We have Clippy here with a little bit of a... Sharing bad advice is a valid method to sabotage your competitors. Score to each opponent's project points. This doesn't sound good to me, though. It essentially just means that we equalize the playing field. Wait, no, it does not. It just adds my points to their points. Web developer. This was just a basic web dev. It all started with a boot camp. Oh, and when you're upgraded, you actually gain like an effect. But you're already pretty good. with no effect like that copy-paste developer. And you gain like 1 resist, but no effect. When I upgrade you, another a resist with some efficiency. That sounds good. But I don't really have anything to remove it now, since I already just got rid of that HR lady. In fact, I'm just spreading out burnout. Just sabotaging my own self. Rubber duck debugging? That sounds good, actually. Everything is fixable if you have enough duct tape with an actual duck. Taped to my hard drive. Motherboard. Yeah. No duct developer, huh? Any of the code could be beneficial for our dirty business. Yeah. If I don't have any in play, oh boy. But that's when I started playing the card. Grab me this card. And, mutated PHP developer. They told me it was immutable. Lying bastards. Oh, this sounds... I mean, it's strong. It's giving me, like, either 8 or 12. But I have to draw, like, an employee card. And if I don't, I lose this many points. It is real strong, too. Still. Grab one of these from extra cards. And that. Okay. These 3 cards. Ready to go. Okay, what's my new to-do list say? Finance planning? Let's see. It's either plan A or plan B. In your next project battle, gain $2 each time you draw a card. I have some that does that. Yeah. The other one's just for me firing, but I don't really have anything for that quite yet. Okay, free upgrade. And I don't have anything to actually remove, you know. Spaghetti code, you know. Just don't really know exactly how to like deal with that. Okay. Make you cheaper. That would be great. We'll also do start out here too. Let's see, what is that? It just makes you cheaper. Okay. Cursive, scrum, nihilistic. 2 of them if I want to. If I have that, if I have this one along with you, then I would gain a lot of points. Well, most of it from my own. If I have like a full board, it would be up to like, let's see, 15. Yes. Go ahead and upgrade this card. But let me see if there's anything else I can upgrade. This one just makes it cheaper though. Pretty good if it can do more than just upgrade 1, you know. Shield, no, it does make you a bit better because of that. Onto yourself. Spaghetti code. Okay, what do I have here that adds, you know what? Give me this. Char researcher. Okay. That counted each time I draw a card, which means I get a free $10. Okay. Now let's see here. Gains efficiency for each burnout removed from adjacent employees. I don't really have that. Does this go to the negatives? Okay, let me see here. Let me add this. Put you in my, and then do that. Did that do anything? No, it did not. I'll leave this here. And end the turn. Now that's good. You don't have anything, but I do have this. Trigger that card. That's good. Now we'll do this. Oh, so this is just about extra card right here. They'll be gone, so I don't need to do that. I need to do something like this. Yeah, you'll be gone soon. I'll get some points from that. Yeah. Extra points from that. A little bit with that. Okay. Get a win. Remove from employees, which means I gotta fire one of you, or just do this. Use the pay to win option if I have the money. Of course, it is cheaper in this mode too. Gain some resource or redraw your hand. Redraw my hand is pretty good. Just do that. It didn't give me enough. You could do that? It's an opponent's project point score below 0. Did I really just do that? -2. Oh, so I do have. Okay, let's see. Target employee or active action card. Activate, huh? Plus. After, huh? Go ahead and do that. Alright. So they'll be gaining this. Technically, if I leave you guys here, you would get 4 points. Right? Yeah. You already have more points, too. Okay. Put you right here for this. And, let's see. What does my deck look like? That's my discard pile. I just need, did I put you somewhere? Like a web dev here. Should be fine. Ooh. I've already reached it too. Final turn. I just gotta... Let's see here. How many cards do I have here? Didn't I have something for that? Final turn. If I don't do that... Take over employee. 4 points. So you already gotten that. You were like level 2. How did you get like 59 already? Gain some resource here, if I could do that. Redraw a hand. That must have been it then. Get some extra resource here if I don't. Okay, go ahead and do that. Let's see. And generate a card. Guess I'll do that then. Go ahead and fire you. And like another one here. Extra burnout from you. Code. How many do I have left in the deck? Just these two. From that one guy, I should have just added both of them. Let's see. Do this. Yeah. I would just about win, huh? Match or exceed. Uh-huh, I just matched it. Some extra money from that. Okay. Sprint planning. It's the one card that I keep seeing here. Lay up and pull, you know. So I place this guy here, I draw a card. Could come in handy. 3 cards could be useful. The not so nice HR guy. Target your own employee, draw a card. Stress manager. Add 1 burnout to target employee. 2 burnout from it. Add 1, remove 2. So in essence, I just took 1 away from that guy. Go ahead and re-roll that. Leftmost employee, gain some resource. That could be useful. Debugging. When attached, removes 1 burnout from the left, from the employee to the left. I could use something like that, or this. Yeah. Extra module, smoking finger. Play your 5th employee during 1 turn. Refresh your fire employee button. Ooh, you're ready to get going. Burnout virus. That sounds good. Bob's gloves. Maximum hand size to 12. I think I'll grab the burnout virus. Crush them. Nice. Yeah, I just got lucky with what I got there. I had to use like the pay to win button to actually get going. Alright. So, trade offer? Draw 2 cards or monster bug. No thanks, not for now. Okay, I could still save that, but let's see here. Shady investor, huh? Let's gain some resource. The C-sharp dev of Rivia. Pito. Where have you been, boy? Here you go. There. Alright, so where was I? Social UX designer. I have a special candle that smells like this meeting could have been an email. Yeah. Control any HR, draw a card. That's gonna be rare though. Desperate intern? Why pay a professional when you can hire a bunch of interns for half the price? Expensive developer, huh? They say money talks. Mine just waves goodbye. I need something to help remove some. The C-sharp dev of Rivia is pretty good too. It's just a meme card now. I have 2 LinkedIn accounts, one for networking and 1 to stalk Yennefer. I think I will go for. Reroll cards. Oh, that looks new. Vim proficiency. I don't even know what Vim means. Once you enter, you can never leave again. Probably something real good. 0. When attached, adds 4 burnout to this developer. 4. Burned out developer here. Deadline is negative inspiration. Still looks better than no inspiration at all. You're on the clock. Gotta hurry up. It's like 1 log here. It means you're just 1 turn left and then you're gone. Unless I can find something to remove that, you know. Schadenfreude. Or Schadenfred. To feel envy is human. To save a Schadenfreude is devilish. After any of the other employees gain burnout. You could be good. What's a syndrome Sam? If I can copy that, that would be great. Grab you this card. And now let's go. Oh, wait, how much? I can't afford it. Okay, next. To the next to-do list. Tech quiz, card upgrade, project battle, 64 points. Alright, let's do the quiz. In which programming language was the first Roller Coaster Tycoon game written in? Oh, this is cool. Oh, well, I have no idea. C++ or C#? Assembly? Action script? I do actually own Roller Coaster Tycoon, but I have not looked into it if this is true. For how... I'm gonna go with C. That was true? Oh, hell yeah. I mean, it does kind of... That game does feel old enough to where I think it would be assembly. A lot of people use either C++ and C#. I've never heard of ActionScript. I've heard of assembly. Card upgrade. Free upgrade. Okay. Dev here, if I want to do that, would you gain an effect here and some extra shielding? You're just competent. Like, way better than this guy right here. Yeah, well, you do cost like one more, but you have some better shielding. Yeah. Any other employee gains burn net. Any other is actually awesome. Get that. Okay, now let's start the project battle. This time I should. Okay, we got our veteran right here and this gopher. Bring it on. I don't really have that effect anymore, but alright. Web dev, generate a card, yes. Do I have something for that? Start the browser, yeah, that's good. Each second time I generate, I gain a resource. Okay, so do this. Give me that, oh, what the hell? This is like the same thing. Choose a card from my hand. Sure. It's like a second copies. Oh, that's what that says, huh? Rise, my underpaid clone army. Rise and work. Oh, so, everyone else just lost like 2 points. Is that? Yeah, this thing. Okay, so, put you right here. It would be actually great if they didn't cost that much. Some extra burnout. Some shielding too. Now, let's try something like this. You and you, so I can grab these two. That's good. Now let's get started. Invest. Wouldn't you have gotten like more from that? Yeah, okay. So I don't really know what else to do here because I've already gotten these guys. You're just a little bit of a head on that. On you, you would just get better. You just get stronger. Some extra resource from that. Is that really true? Let me look at that again. Once in play, I would like to look at it closer. Discard pile. Yeah, I would like to look at this card closer. See what the... Oh well, I guess this is fine. Just about remove the rest of that, that would be great. Okay, so these two are gonna be gone. Well, these three. Now that's pretty good. You stole my points. Alright. Monster bug. Just add these two right here. You're gonna die. this one with yourself. And I thought for sure that would work. Gotta find something here that will move. Go ahead and end that turn. That guy is here on a sprint. Do that. Gets rid of you two. I could just win. I got enough points for that. Rewards. Some money, some cards. Machine, sour core, steel, yeah. I could do something with this. Grab me the coffee machine. And dependency injection. HR. I did have you, but now I don't. And now I do again. Oh, you gain some project equal to the burnout. Ooh, this sounds good, actually. There's center. HR employee placed in the center border position draws you 2 cards instead of 1. That's good. You know what? Give me this KPI totem. Crush them. Nice. Okay, is that the last one? I think there's like one more after this. To-do list cleared. Alright, this will be the last thing. What trade offer you have for this? Henry Hackerman. This is my upgrade one. Anything better than that? Here's some knowledge. Would be pretty good too. Nah. Okay, let's see what you got here. BizDev Tony. Say hello to my squeaky friend. It's the rubber duck debugger with BizDev Tony. After you sell a card, gain 1 burnout and draw a card. Just burn the books. Another showdown fight would be pretty good right now. Can I just about. I'm gonna do that. Upgrade the card. Okay. Now go ahead and upgrade. Makes it cheaper. Removes 2, which is real good. Where's the coffee machine that I have? Did I just ignore that? Oh, it's right there. It just makes you cheaper. Okay. Okay, I think I'll go with you instead. Alright, let's move on to the to-do list and see what more I can do here. Random meeting. Near the meeting, what's gonna be this time? Add Scrum Master. Alright. Mad Scrum Master starts talking gibberish on how he does not like waterfalls. Tells you a story about some mythical being he calls Gojira. You know, Godzilla in Japanese. What do you say to make him just shut up? Good job, buddy. Sprint plan could be good. We need to plan B. Which do rollback plus. That one resets everyone's project points to 0. And we gotta start over. Let's take it slow and stick to the basics. But if I want none of them, I guess it does pay to use that option if I don't want any of those cards, because it is just bloating up my deck. Because there's these 4 options. First 3 gives me a card, which may or may not be what I need in the moment, and that's like +1 to the overall deck. Or just pay to not take a card. I can either do that or this. Let me go with this one instead. Alright, move on. Bug sprint. From this is just a little mini game. Alright, gain as many project points as possible in 6 turns. And watch out for bugs. These are my rewards if I could get it. If I reach like 32 points or more, then I get $128. 64, a card upgrade, and a module. Got it. Okay, with what I have right here. I could do the pay to win. I don't really have enough. Well, I do. Okay, let's see. Monster bugs. You are kind of useless here. But you do have like 3 of this. Okay, generate a card. It says generate a card. And what would you look at that? Moobot got rid of a spam bot. Moobot, delete that spam bot's code. Great mind. Scroll. Which one do I want to choose here? Monster Bug will add its own thing right here. So got some ideas for now. I don't really need these though. But that is resource because there's nothing here to give. And do that for now. Okay. Drawing some extra cards here for this. Anything adjacent. Could use more points from this. Left most. What'd that say? Meme stock investor. What is your favorite meme stock? That'll trigger on the next turn. These, okay, I see. It has to be adjacent, meaning that I should have put you in the middle here. Well, all I know is that one of you is going to get going. There's 1 extra point here. Monster bug. That's all of it. Well, it would have been if I had you. Okay, add a little burnout to yourself. Gains efficiency if I buy that. Okay, just do that for a little bit. This. Just need to get myself a little bit more points than that. These are just gonna keep going now. I mean, these guys are done for. Except you. You're still here for a bit. I'll just place a new one each time. A boot camp. Oh yeah, that. You get yourself gain some efficiency. Alright. All I need to do is get like this many points. No way. I need like, what was it? Like 32? I don't really need this blue screen though. Pretty useless right now. I just have to squash these bugs. I need more cards than that. Would be interesting. Machine Code Mag Plus. Node Module Stalker Plus. I'll add that. Just do that for a bit. Give me a little bit of a resource to allow me to do this. Up to 2. Do that for a little bit. Okay. Just got reached. You would have been awesome to have right here. Extra 3 cards is what I need. Right here. And right here too. Don't need you. My hand, that's useless actually. That's good. Bug sprint's over, which I did get. Turn CEO. 64 of my employees have been burned out. Yeah. Crushed. Well, I have. Alright, now let's actually do the project battle. And now I can actually use those cards that I've just kept putting back in my deck. Level 3 and level 4. Let's bring it on. Okay. 4 burnout to all employees in play. Could be funny if I just did that. Let's see. Blue screen of death is what I have right here for this. I don't have anything. Okay. Copies of this employee spawn in your points board. Overemployed developer, huh? From this employee. Pretty good. But this guy also shows up in the other one. Asocial. If I don't have any HR, you gain allows me to draw 2 more. Bug Bounty Hunter Plus. Efficiently after an opponent's employee gains burnout during your turn. A Research Engineer Plus. If I want to do that, let me grab this. Okay. And like this to you. Efficiency 4, which means that's guaranteed to go. If I generate a card though. Do that for a little bit. Do this right here. Not enough resource. Oh, I need 3. I won't gain any points from this. For now. Recruiter. Okay, so use the card now. Remove everyone from play. Okay. I still need some more resource here. I'll just do this for a bit because I need that. Now let's see. Which is good. You have like this, and there's nothing here. But I only have 1 point. Right there. There. Save you for later. But it has to be my turn though. I hope I'm not bugging you too much. You kind of misspelled grammar check. That's meant to be 2 with the double O. This will have to do. Well, you got nothing. We already lost. Alright, recursive. If I generate a card, which I don't right now. Right here. Wait for the next turn for that. Okay, now I can actually use that. You have nothing there. Extra stonk. Okay. Now I have something here. Spread planning and cost 0. If I do that. It has to be at the start of the turn. No, this is not what I want anyway. Okay. Fresh, draw a card. Extra burnout, which is great for this. Alright. I thought for sure that would give me that 1 card, but apparently not. I had it for now. Shopping fraud, which I do want. Not enough points? I was wondering what you mean by that. See if I buy a card. That's exactly what I meant for that. I've got an idea for this. Okay. You won't be gone yet. Increased efficiency. Burned out. Yeah? You're still just ahead of me for a bit. Okay. Generate a card if I need to. Just gonna do that for a bit. 2 monster bucks could be useful now. Do that. And damn it. I would like to remove one of you. Otherwise it would have been useful like at this moment. Well, that answers that. You're gonna win. Adjacent is what it just said. Damn it. I don't really have anything for you. Do that for now. Okay, let's try this out. Should have put you somewhere else. Now let's try this out. Adjacently. You were gonna win. I need to get rid of you, especially with that. Add that. Card. Let's see. Would let I didn't even do anything good here. Moving Kyle means pile means so by dropping one if I need that. The upgraded version of you is better. Oh yeah, I already placed it there. You. Don't really need that. Yeah, like one of these guys. Let's try this out now. That's good. Should move myself from this. Now that's good. Help delay. Okay. Some cards here. So I could do that for a little bit. Grab these two. Yeah. There's a resource here. Okay, that should do it. Okay, I'll be ahead for a bit. Since you got nothing here. A little bit of this, a little bit of that. Sprint planning to all employees if I have that. Which one I would like to remove that from? You or you? 3 cards if I need that. Sprint planning. They're just IT. Now that's good. Okay. And yourself. You know what? I should have just used you when I had you in my hand. I want an extra Q. Well, of course it is. Look, if I re-roll that, it's just gonna be. Alright, just do this for now. And, go ahead and activate the first action card. Grab me like 3 of them. Watch the bug right here. Fire you. Employee card if I need that. Okay, go ahead and end the turn. I am now ahead a bit. Just a little bit ahead until I do this. It looks like you're sprinting ahead until then. All right. Okay, so okay, so do this. Now fire you. Add yeah. Refresh the fire button. Put that on HR. Do that. Star recruiter. Could be good. Leaves play. Also good. 2 brown from an employee. Great. Yeah. Grab me this card in my hand for now. Alright, let's go. Just a little bit more. There's no one on your board. Alright. Because of that, I've won. Alright. I've won. Hell yeah. There's some rewards, some cards. Grab you like Henry Hackerman right here. And grab you another piece of tech lord. Crush them, nice. I do like the fact that I could just choose any of these in order. Like I could do this one first and then that. But because of that, I cleared my to-do list. I've won. Of course, it was on easy mode. Oh, no, there's still more. Final boss project battle. I didn't even know there was more than that. REST API. That's 2. Have you tried that API for random dad jokes? Alright. Database developer? Drop the base. Defensive programming. I could use something like that. Attach remove 2. That's good. If open parenthesis going to crash, close parenthesis don't. Open and close parenthesis colon. Copy that card. Alright. What trade offer you have here? Desperate HR plus. Let me make some calls. Oh. That's not bad, if only if I'm in negative. Scala developer. It's a dog. In the world of types, every function is a friend. And upgraded. It's also good. If you can afford it. Potato boot camp. If a potato could become vodka, you could become a web developer. This employee, if I gave you some, that would be pretty neat. Let's see if I ever did that. That's like adding 3 or 4 to that. Some extra knowledge. It is cheap too. Okay, I think this is fine. The final boss. Ban one boss. Will face the other 2. Strategy info. Watch out for the army of bootcamp potatoes and scrimboard ninjas. They start out slow, but grow with burnout removal. Oh yeah. On the other side, you don't have to worry about burnout sabotage or recruiters taking over your devs. Agile Potato King does not have cards with these effects. A way to gain an advantage is to disarm his opponent's key action cards. Would be good. The Rita Random. Rita is unpredictable, chaotic, and wealthy. Her plays may not be strategic masterpieces. The deck is far too large and unrefined, but with abundant resources, project points will inevitably start to flow. The only 2 predictable things about this boss is that the deck can hit no recruiters, take over employees, a bunch of expensive developers. Yeah, a bunch of expensive, but okay. Mr. Fun Guy, Mushroom Head. This boss will try to pull off a powerful combo, bringing their own project points below 0, then sharing with opponents. Is that what that works? It says add your... Oh, wait. No, if your points was like 0, it says add your current project score. Oh wait, but then it can also go in the negatives. So by adding, you're subtracting. But if it was at 0, then it would always be 0. Okay, so now I understand exactly what that would mean. Reset. Yeah, I do have actually 1 card for this. Wait, do I? I have the blue screen. No, that's not it. Where is it? I'll ban you and proceed. Alright, here we go. Some boosters if I want. Well, I gotta win. Alright. Now let's see here. Generate an extra card in my hand. I would like, you, yes. That could be good. That. Put you here for now, so I can gain some of this. For now. Alright. Those guys are in the negatives, though. A little bit of the copy machine. Alright. Time to remove your guys. Do a little bit of a pay-to-win option here. Add this guy over here. Left most on yourself. All the burnout as well. Okay, good to go. Why did I do that? Messed up, you know. I'm still gonna need to do some more of this though. Actually crunch if I can. Right now and do this. I am not doing so good. A bunch of cash should do it too, even if it doesn't work. Okay. Put you right here, and should have just waited until then, so you can gain some points from that. It'll save you from a little bit of that. Look at that. Okay. I don't really have anything for this. Blue screen would be pretty good if I could do that. It would be useful to have a U right here for that. That just removes one of them. I thought it would remove a little bit more than that. Okay, I gotta remove the Potato King. I'll do that for a little bit. Add this. Okay. Draw a card. Which will help me out. And, yes. A little bit of this. Which is good. Okay. I need to get rid of that guy with all of this stuff. So all it has like boot camp things. Alright, let's go ahead and just do that. They all have their own shields too, which it wouldn't be from that. Since I don't really have that, I could just take over, which would have been great if I have the cash for it, but I don't. Just burn out on you. Just do that, and let's go. Potato will grow. It's already won. Here we go. There. That gets rid of that. To play. Right here. Got this right over there. That's good. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna work my way back up. You already get. Where do you get all your cards? It's already growing back up now. Okay. Let's do that. That. And this. Okay, I'm working my way back up from this. Some knowledge. Let's see. And the other is great, actually. Monster Pokemon. Not you, though. No, it's not. ahead and just that for a bit. All right. Potato King is actually one of the more worst ones here. Already reached the target score. I've already lost. Yeah, I know that. I've already used up all of my cash from that. Get rid of you. Where's the fire? For a good company bonus. Would have been great if I had that early on. Well, it's already way too late. I don't even have enough points. Potato King, though, is like... Maybe I should have just, Yeah, I don't even have enough. Well, I lost that. Nearly won. And that was on, the easy mode. It was easy all the way up to it. Okay. Now, card library. That's pretty cool. Does it show, like, any, no empty spot? It's all I have right now. Okay. Okay, that'll be the end of this game. That was fun. I do kind of like that and the little jokes you have there with that.